You guys, it's my best friend's birthday, and we have the appointment, and surprise! You got a bag. What did you get for your birthday?
I'll show you.
Unboxing. Bye. What did you get?
I'll show you what I got.
Happy birthday.
It's my 35th birthday today.
Here.
These. I'm not gonna.
These are
Don't
stupid.
put them on germs. Germs. Don't put them down. No, you can put them on the bed.
Nobody cares about these. You know what these are. White bag, white box. Okay.
Gotta be safe. I got a dream come true. Out of body experience doing this because I'm usually not the one who.
Love that sound.
All good things come in white paper and orange boxes. Oh, and fun fact, we saw someone very famous in this store. I'm not gonna say who, but someone super, super A-list. I was like, whoa! And that's all I'm gonna say. And we clocked eyes when I was deciding what, and I think said person indicated with just their eyes I was getting the right purchase. So, can you come help me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was something there you go. Et voila. A Birkin 30 gold hardware, noir in color, Togo, and I was between this and a 35. I have the HAC, and I thought, you know what? I think something this size, more intimate, is more like me. I mean, I'm the type of individual who will carry the bag like this because I think it's cool, and I don't usually like holding it with my hand. I got two twillies, you know, to protect. But this is her. She's a beaut. She's a beaut. And I'm so grateful. And I have the most incredible essay ever. Incredible. A human being, like a good person. So this is a great 35th birthday. I'm probably gonna keep it in the box for like 10 years and never use it.
What? No,
I'm
I'll be
crazy.
using it. I will go into that box and I will pick it out. I'll use my joke.
Yeah, this is good. I wanted the hardware because of the belt and shoe. You can't really see me. I don't even know. It's a lot, but you know, I'm a gay single girl. No. I feel. Oh, you know who I feel like? Lily Vanderwood said that was the inspo for wanting this beautiful bag. So yeah. Ooh. 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 Ooh.